Hi guys, welcome to the Queen's Beauty Room. You already know who it is. It is your girl Liz. I know I've been MIA. Life has been so crazy. Does anyone have it hasn't been bad, but it's been like a very eventful 2019. Like, I think I'm gonna rate this maybe 7.5, 7. But I am going to be more consistent. Videos once a week, all right? But someone actually reached out to me. You know who you are. I'm not going to disclose your information, but they want to see the Euphoria look. So I didn't do a Euphoria tutorial. I just did my take on the Euphoria makeup. If you guys don't know, it's a show on HBO starring Zendaya. And it's just about her life and all these other teens at this high school. It's really good. But people really like the makeup because it had like all these gems and colors and reflective paper and stuff. It was nice. It was really creative. It's a different take on makeup. Not the standard Instagram look that you see every day. So I decided to do my little take on that. But on this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your makeup last all day. And for the most part, all these items are affordable, all right? Like only one thing I got from Sephora. I mean, I got it from Ulta, but like one of those stores. So you can do this. Anyone can do this. So y'all, let's get into this video. So first, to prime my face, I'm gonna be using a NYX glitter primer. Now, it doesn't specifically say it's just for face or eyes or whatever, but you know, it's a glitter base. But I've noticed that, especially during the summer, it really helps my T-zone area. If you don't know, your T-zone is the area where you like have a lot of oil sweats. So most people, it's like the forehead, the nose, and the chin. For me, it's all over the place. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. But most importantly, like my eyebrow area, my chin, this area right here. So yeah, just anywhere where it's oily for you, put it on. So as you can see, I just have like a couple dots all over my oily areas. I'm just gonna blend that in with my fingers. So next, to set the primer in, I'm using my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is the translucent extra coverage. And I'm just gonna be using my Sephora powder brush. You can use any kind of powder brush, but I'm just gonna put it all over my face. And now to set everything in, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. This one is for oil control. And so, you know, it's got the oily skin, trying to make our makeup stay. I'm just gonna use this one. Now, in all honesty, any Urban Decay, any setting spray that you prefer, that you feel works for you, works. So just use whatever and put that all over your face. Alright, so now that we've primed and prepped our face, you can just do whatever makeup routine you want. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty with my look for today, but if you want the details of the products used, just check out the description box below. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, so now that we are done with the eyes temporarily, I'm going to go into the Black Radiance True Complex Contour Palette, the medium to dark one. And I'm going to be using this Sculpt right here all over my face. I'm using this Avon brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is, but it's a powder brush. As long as you have a powder brush, all over face brush, you can use it. And we're just going to put this everywhere. Now I am powdering my face because by putting this all over, I will use less liquid makeup. Alright, so now that I finished powdering my face, I'm going to continue my regular routine. The contour, highlight, blush, all that good stuff. And I'll be right with you to finish making our makeup last all day. Okay, so now that we have finished contouring, eyes and everything, we're going to set our face. So I'm going back in with the Coty Airspun Translucent Extra Coverage Powder, and I'm using this Sephora brush. I'm gonna put that all over my face. Use the setting spray. Then you can add your lashes and your highlighter. Now, for future reference, just, it doesn't matter if you're trying to make your makeup last longer or whatever, but it is always best to put any shimmery products like your highlighter or possibly your brush on after you put your setting spray. That way, the shimmery has more of an impact. The settings powder mats it. Alright, so now that we've highlighted and everything, lastly, we're just gonna put up the setting spray, some mascara, and some lashes, and we're going to be done. And then the lip, but then we'll be done. Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. I know I switched up my lip. I wasn't feeling the red. It was too much. I've got red brows in my hair. So if you don't have red hair or you have red and you just love the color red, go right at the lips. I will be putting the description for both lipsticks down in the description box. But thank you guys again. I hope this video was informative for you guys. And thank you, you know who you are, for actually giving me some recommendations. Tell me what you want to see. I love the interaction, and I hope you guys interact with me more, alright? And I will be back. I'm gonna try and do it once a week, a video once a week. I know I can do that, so just bear with me, y'all. But thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you guys next week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Elizabeth Brain Beauty. If you want, add me on Snapchat, Liz1510. I don't really be posting much, but thanks for watching, guys. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.